What's going on, guys? Mr. Awesome Ball here, bringing you another chest opening because I finally have all my stones rewarded. So that brings, here, look, I'll show you. It's level 8, more than 8k damage, which is really cool. Like, I love it and hate these wars because they're fast, but yet again, they have so little health that slop is always there. So 8k, lots of health left over. Top of my guild. Top player awards. Actually was top, but yeah, I went to sleep. So anyways, because I'm almost at Aiken's Void Plus, I just need one more. And how will I get one more? Well, right now the chests are giving an Aiken's Void. Yeah, they're giving a globe, so I just need one more, and then I can have the plus. So let's do this. Chests. I have exactly the right amount. Ooh, wait a minute. No. Exactly the right amount. Open now, let's see what we get. Just gonna skip that. And Shadowforged, come on, give us the plus. Mandrake flower, okay. Cool. And there we go. Oh. Well then. Future Master Armors. I guess I'll do this. Yeah, it's not much, but it'll have to do. Sorry guys, this is gonna take just a bit. Fuck it, I'll just sell it. Can always use the gold. How many do I need to smelt? Smelt 38, 18 more. 2, 3, 4, 18 smelt. 1, 2, just make sure. Okay, armor smith. Boom. Oh, that looks so nice. I'm gonna take a screenshot. Okay. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.